Welcome to Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning airplane mode on and off on Windows 10. There are usually buttons on keyboards to do this, but since every keyboard is different, I will show you how to do it from within the Windows 10 user interface. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Let's begin. You need to open up the network icon from the taskbar. It usually looks like a Wi-Fi symbol, but if your airplane mode is on, it will be a plain symbol. If airplane mode is on, as you can see here, the icon of the plane will be highlighted in blue. Just click the icon to turn airplane mode off. Now that I've done that, you can see that the Wi-Fi has been enabled again and I can connect to the internet like normal. You can also turn airplane mode on again by clicking the same plain symbol. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.